today His Excellency Professor Soludo.
The hardest working governor in this federation. It is my singular honor to present to you this award from the Sun Publishing Company, winner of the Governor of the Year 2024. Congratulations,
And this is to thank the management of the Sun newspaper. Because about 20 years ago, the Sun newspaper was one of the 8 newspapers and magazines that simultaneously awarded us the Man of the Year. About 20 years ago, because of our transformation of the banking and financial. About 20 years after, the Sun newspaper again happens to be one of the 5 newspapers that have now also simultaneously recognized us as the Governor of the Year 2024. I devote this award finally to the government, to the solution team, and all the stakeholders of the Anambra the ticket drivers, the businesswomen, the Okada drivers, our businessmen, our clergy, our traditional institutions, the government, and all the people who toil every day to cleanse and transform Anambra State. And what I said to you today, you ain't seen nothing yet. Thank you very much.